To register for classes, open your RadarLink account at www.radarlink.ttu.edu. Use your eRadar email and password to log in. Click on the My Tech tab at the top of your screen. Then, click on the Registration tab under the Manage My Enrollment title. Click the Add or Drop Classes tab on the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to another window. Click on the Register for Classes tab on the top right. Select the Fall 2020 TTU term and click Continue. Click the Enter CRNs tab on the top left. Type in the CRN number for your class in the CRN box. Click the Add to Summary button. Repeat this process for each class. When you have all your classes entered, click the Submit button on the bottom right corner of your screen. When your classes have loaded, the status box will turn green and read Registered.